Looking for the perfect bakeware and you can't decide between the traditional carbon steel or the newer aluminized steel with ceramic coating? Well, I am here to help. I'm super fortunate to receive both of these as a gift from the brands. So thank you so much to the brands for gifting these to me. And I am here just to give you my honest opinions of what I think of both. So first off, the aluminized steel with ceramic coating gives a really smooth texture. It's a sleek looking design. They have silicone grips on them. So it makes it very non-stick, easy cleanup with these pans. Both of these are a 9-piece set, just to let you know. So that's what the difference of the aluminized steel with the ceramic coating is. So it's a lighter weight material and super easy to clean. Now, the traditional carbon steel coating is going to be a heavier, more traditional type of bakeware that you'd be used to. And this one is super pretty. It's like a rose gold finish, and then it's got these diamond sort of textured bottoms in all of them. So that makes it for easier cleanup as well with that bottom. So really, these ones also are known to give a little bit more even heating, although this one does say that it does that as well. So I'm not sure. It's really going to come down to personal preference. Now, what I will say, I will show you a few of the differences. One of the things that I really like about the aluminized steel with the ceramic coating one is they are super easy to stack, so they don't take up as much space in your pantry or your cabinets. Whereas these HONGBAKE ones, the 9-piece, they do not stack the same way. I mean, you could stack them up, but they're going to take up a lot more room. And the cake pans do not fit inside of each other like they do on the other set. So if space is an issue for you, you may want to go with the BRONYPRO aluminized steel with ceramic coating. And this comes in different colors as well. It comes in a navy blue with gray, and I think it comes in like an orangey corally color, and then this one is cream with gray. So it does, if you want to match it to your kitchen colors, this one might be a better option. And then if you want a more feminine looking rose gold, looks more luxe, you're going to want to go with these ones. So, and this one does feel more heavy duty, feels like it may be more durable over time, just given the strength and durability of the material it's used with. The other main difference is this one has silicone grips on it. Just something to note with these two, because of the ceramic coating and the non-stick coating, you're going to want to use wooden spoons or silicone utensils with this one as well, so that it doesn't scratch up the coating. But love that all of the handles on all of these are silicone, nice soft grips, easy to, and they're all oven safe. These ones are oven safe. It says up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These ones say they're oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So pretty close in that. And then the other main difference is that with the two cookie sheets or roasting pans or whatever you want to call it for these, the HONGBAKE, whoops, it's a little loud when they start. The HONGBAKE one has a really large cookie sheet. I'll just show you the two sizes here. So it has this size and then this larger size. Whereas the BRONYPRO ones, they are two identical cookie sheets, which is almost in between the two of those ones. I'll just hold up. This is the smaller, or I guess it's the same size as the smaller one of the HONGBAKE. So it doesn't have the really large, but it has two identical. So if you wanted a bigger cookie sheet, then you're going to want to go with the HONGBAKE. So really, both of these are fantastic options. It really just comes down to what your personal preference is and how you like to cook and how you want, what surface you want to cook with and how you want it to look in your kitchen. So either of these are really good options. I would recommend both. And those are just the main differences that you may want to consider. So thanks so much for watching.